Would you welcome, please, Mr. Daniel O'Donnell?
Good evening, everybody. Hair of gold, eyes of blue, prettiest girl I ever knew. Skin as white as precious pearl, she was my Tipperary girl. I knew Mary Lou, we'd never part, so hello, Mary Lou, goodbye heart. For 24 years I've been living next door to Alice. Alice, who the heck is Alice? My heart will lead me back home to my Donegal. You walked out of my dreams and into my arms. Now you're my angel divine. Oh, you're 16. You're beautiful and you're mine. When we're together, it feels